Can you search by username in Ngl app? Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can search the person by username, or you cannot do that. So to know if you can do it or not, watch this video till the very end. So first of all, you need to head into Ngl application. Make sure you have installed and connected it with your Instagram application. So after you open it, you will see an interface like this. So here you will see nowhere the option of search by username option. So let's head into the setting option and see if there is any. So no, you can simply follow the Instagram of the certain person, and if the person shares the link, then only you can send the messages to the certain person from the Instagram. So what you need to do to send messages is go on the setting option and tap on the help option by scrolling down and tap on I need help option. Now state your problem and send it to the Ngl, and it will give you a feedback, and this might solve your problem. We need to send messages on Ngl very urgently. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.